Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to reset your Volvo XC40 service light. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the dealership. First, make sure you are seated in your vehicle with all doors securely closed. Importantly, keep your foot off the brake pedal for these initial steps. We will clear that maintenance required message together. Now let's get started. With your foot off the brake, press the start button once to turn on the ignition. The dashboard lights should illuminate, but the engine must remain off. Immediately find the minus button on the left side of your steering wheel, typically used for cruise control. Press and hold this minus button down firmly. Keep holding it as we move to the next step. Continuing from the previous step, while still holding the minus button, now press the brake pedal. Then, press the start button again to start the engine. Keep holding the minus button. You will see an I symbol or a yellow exclamation mark begin to flash on your instrument panel. This flashing indicates the system is ready for the reset. Pay close attention to these flashes. As soon as the I symbol or exclamation mark flashes 3 times, release the minus button immediately. You should then see a maintenance reminder reset message appear on your display, confirming the successful reset. If the light does not clear, simply turn off your vehicle completely, wait a few seconds and repeat the entire procedure from the beginning. Sometimes, timing is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.